Getting goosebumps or developing slightly purplish hands and feet, that may mean she's cold. Warm her up with socks, a hat, and a blanket. Nothing gets your attention faster than a baby's cry. You're hardwired to respond, find the problem, and fix it. But it's not always easy to decipher what your baby needs. Here's how to decode her body language. Squirming often signals a dirty diaper. Turning her head to the side or putting her fist to her mouth, that usually means she's hungry. Pulling her knees to her chest and tensing up is a likely sign that your bundle of joy has gas and needs to be burped. Sweating with reddening ears? That's easy, she may be hot. Loosen her clothing and check her temperature. Getting goosebumps or developing slightly purplish hands and feet, that may mean she's cold. Warm her up with socks, a hat, and a blanket. Flailing her arms and legs or trying to avoid the light may mean she's overstimulated. Take her to a quieter environment and she'll calm down. Blinking, yawning, or kicking, she's likely tired. Put her to bed. Wiggling and looking around, she just needs a cuddle, and you know what to do. If these tips don't seem to work, she's acting sick, or you are concerned, call your pediatrician.